And the message I want to get across loud and clear is every business can do something to prevent human trafficking. Deterrence is possible if you're equipped to do that, and BEST is here to support any public-facing employer in developing its own strategy for what it can do with its staff, its location, its operations.
We have the opportunity to build awareness and education on this issue. As you all know, this summer, Seattle will host the Men's FIFA World Cup, a global celebration that will bring the world to our doorstep and put our region on the world stage. As we prepare to welcome hundreds of thousands of visitors, we also recognize the very real threat these events mean for those who are trafficked and have survived trafficking.
At the Seattle Police Department, we have a full-time human trafficking detectives who address all forms of human trafficking, including sexual exploitation and forced labor. To prepare for the FIFA events, our human trafficking unit, for nearly over a year, has been planning operations with local, state, and federal partners.
From Bellingham all the way down to Vancouver, Washington, from Olympia in the east all the way over to Yakima. You can see the cities, just some of the cities represented. Thanks to the Port of Seattle and thanks to the local organizing committee here in Seattle preparing for our World Cup.
Every person in this room and every person watching on TV or on their computer not only has the opportunity to help end and prevent human trafficking, but I think the responsibility to help prevent and end human trafficking.